We had a water main blowout this morning, as well as the electricity. Wi-Fi is also out at 2601 Zuni. So you can see this is all covered up. Use the bobcat to do some work here. And you can begin to see the pitch. If you look at how the asphalt meets the building, you can see how it pitches down, which is important because just around this corner you can see that the gas, which is currently at least turned off, is also downhill from the water main. And then it's really difficult to see because those blinking lights but those are 3 transformers that have just blown out. They're very early this morning, I think there were 2 blowouts, one about 4 and one about 6 a.m. Those are underground, were underground, and they've replaced them, as you can see from the exhaust tube down in this vault where the yellow exhaust tube is, so that Excel workers can replace those transformers. Still one more on the truck. Means there's 2 more down here already. So in the main building has all the electricity out. The C section as the electricity is still going, but the Wi-Fi is gone throughout the entire former Quality Inn complex. This is just more lack of maintenance throughout the years. This building has not been kept up, and it's part of the treatment we're getting here.